A good memory is crucial, especially for children who are of school-going age. The demand placed on children in terms of memorizing things is much higher than the demand placed on adults because children are at an age whereby they are constantly learning new things from their environment. However, there are some children, particularly those who have learning difficulties, who struggle to remember things. They have trouble retaining information efficiently, especially if they are not interested in the topic, thus affecting their success in academic achievements. Here are some tips that you can practice in order to help children with learning difficulties to develop and improve their memory. Sleep is an important key to learning and memory, and not having enough sleep every night does a lot of damage to our brains. Engage in physical activities. Aerobics and cardiovascular exercises are also good for the brain. It helps to produce more oxygen that keeps the brain healthy and helps prevent memory loss. Review before going to bed. For children who are of school-going age, reviewing notes before going to bed is one of the best strategies for memorizing. Brain-boosting diet. Having a healthy and nutritious diet is important. In order to boost your memory, foods that are rich in omega-3 acids are highly recommended. Green tea and fruits are also rich in antioxidants that help protect the brain from damage. Substitute technical words with visual cues. Young children tend to be more visual learners. When memorizing, children might encounter difficult words and concepts. You can substitute technical words and concepts with visual cues so they can be easily remembered. Read aloud. The more you read verbally, the more the idea stays in your memory. Rehearsing your speech verbally helps you to remember your speech better. It allows for higher chances of memory recall. Be an active reader. Reading stimulates our memory. Being an active reader helps us improve our memory. Lastly, practice and repeat. The best way to learn and memorize things is through consistent practice. Constantly doing practice and revision allows your child to apply what they have learned. You can do it repeatedly until they have understood the entire concept. One of the golden rules of learning and memory is constant repetition. For further questions and inquiries about children's development, you may contact us at 610-02-665 or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.